Use 0.5 black marker or black water gel pen. It's so easy. Don't forget to subscribe, Drawing with Nur. Like the video and share it. Flowers. Vase. Use red watercolor pen. Use pink watercolor pen. Use yellow watercolor pen. Use dark green watercolor pen. Use green watercolor pen. Use 0.5 black marker or black water gel pen. Use red watercolor pen. Use yellow watercolor pen. Use pink watercolor pen. Use orange watercolor pen. Use sky blue watercolor pen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Drawing with Nur. Use brown watercolor pen. Like the video and share it.